Hello guys, Naid here. In today's class, we'll be discussing the Aligarh movement. So let's look at that. Spread of modern education and development of nationalism among the Indian Muslims, centering around the Aligarh College, came to be known as Aligarh movement. So spread of modern education के बारे में हमने पहले ही बात कर चुके हैं. उसके साथ में वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट कि मॉडर्न एजुकेशन की वजह से किस तरह से नेशनलिज्म को एक इम्पेटस मिला. यहाँ पर मॉडर्न एजुकेशन लेके चर्चा और नेशनलिज्म के बारे में चर्चा जो शुरू हुआ था अलीगढ़ कॉलेज में, ठीक है, अलीगढ़ कॉलेज में. इसी को अलीगढ़ मूवमेंट कहा जाता है, जो अलीगढ़ कॉलेज में शुरू हुआ था. एंड इट स्टार्टेड विद द इंडियन मुस्लिम्स. दिस spread of modern education and development of nationalism, it was started by Indian Muslims centering around Aligarh College, which famously came to be known as Aligarh movement. Moreover, Sir Syed Ahmed Khan was the central figure behind this awakening. So इस awakening के पीछे Sir Syed Ahmed Khan, he was the main guy behind this awakening, means behind this movement. Moreover, the central he was the central figure. He believed that the best means of social awakening was through education. So Sir Syed Ahmed Khan, he believed that in order to awaken the society, it can only be done through education. So we need to educate our people. That's what he believed. Hence, he established the English medium school at Ghazipur in 1864. In 1865, he set up a society at Aligarh and translated some of the noted English books in Urdu. So for that, for establishing for social awareness, he made a society, a science society at Aligarh, and translated some of the English books in Urdu so that people can read it and understand and learn a little bit about Western culture. In 1875, he established the Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College. That's a college he established in 1875. Apart from that, within a short span of time, it became a great center for learning. It became a great center for learning here, as you can see, for Western literature and culture. So in here they studied Western literature as well as Western culture. The Aligarh College, established by Sir Syed Ahmed Khan, raised the level of political consciousness among the Indian Muslims. So because of Aligarh College, it could give political consciousness to the Indian Muslims. And after the Indian National Congress, the Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College was next national organization which made commendable contribution towards the growth of nationalism in India. And after that, this Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College and the people behind it, it became parallel to Indian National Congress, and it started to be seen as an organization which could be compared at that time with Indian National Congress, which actually helped towards building building nationalism in India. In this regard, Theodore Back, principal of the college, played a leading role. So there was this principal of this college, he played a leading role in that. His name was Theodore Back. You need to remember the name. He played a leading role opening the floodgates of Western ideas, Western culture and literature. You see, this guy helped immensely the Indian students to understand Western ideas, to understand Western culture and literature, especially the Indian Muslim students. He helped Indian Muslim students to understand, as you can know it from the name of the college. This newly educated class tried to remove social abuses, within the Muslim community. So they started working towards mitigating the abuses or towards fighting the social evils of the Muslim community. In 1920, this college was raised to the status of a university, and hence it was called Aligarh Muslim University in the year 1920. So with that, we finish this topic. We will be discussing next the role of press. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned, and I will see you with a new video where I discuss role of press.